This is the all-new innovative cordless motion LED light from BTAG Innovation. It is ideal for accurately identifying and assessing damage on a vehicle, allowing more work to be upsold to the customer. Using the motion LED vastly increases damage visibility, allowing clearer pictures of the damage for insurance providers, resulting in increased labor time for the repair. With the optional extension arm, you can push the light ahead of yourself as you scan the car, saving time in the damage identification process. The extension arm also greatly aids at identifying hail damage on roofs. The MotionLED slim profile and fully integrated rechargeable battery, along with the innovative ball and socket connector with bidirectional adapter, provides market-leading agility and flexibility in the working area. Estimators and technicians can easily increase or dim the light level to suit the task at hand, while the light temperature is also adjustable to aid visibility with different colors of paintwork. Each strip can also be independently turned on and off. These functions grant the ability to use different viewing perspectives depending on damage type and your preferences. The integrated rechargeable battery provides complete freedom of movement around the vehicle, and the fully adjustable stand enables estimators and technicians to quickly and easily position the motion LED to analyze or work on both horizontal and vertical panels. The easy setup, cord-free operation, and slim compact size make it ideal for mobile use too. BTAG's motion LED light is supplied with the appropriate 120-volt or 230-volt charger and delivers up to 9 hours of working time from each 3-hour charge. The motion LED will also function perfectly using standard mains power, or a 12-volt battery as its power source. Longer charging cords, and the connector to enable operation and charging from a 12-volt battery, are available as optional extras. This has been the new motion LED light from BTAG Innovation. Thanks for watching.